Hey guys, good morning. At 24 degrees temperature here in Reno. Do a little shop talk here. We got one of our customers scooter in for, what are we doing on that one, Adam?
Correcting service?
We're doing a
basic service.
The basic service for a long time customer of ours. Sitting right here. Comes in regularly to get all his recommended service done on his scooter. So as you can see, the condition of his scooter is excellent. Has all his oil changes, his basic tune-up services done on it. It's a TaoTao ATM50 city rider moped gas scooter. So this is his main transportation, his daily. Is that right? Is that your daily transportation? Yeah. So how so far has been your experience over here at Scooter City Reno here?
Most time positive, yep.
So far so good?
Yep.
Yeah, you're pretty happy with the service you've been receiving over here?
Yeah.
Good customer service?
Yep.
Pretty attentive?
Yep.
Yeah, how's Adam? Adam's service is pretty good?
Yep.
Good deal. Good deal. He is a manager at our at a local pizza place. What was the name?
Round Table Pizza off Gallery Parkway.
Round Table Pizza off of where?
Gallery Parkway.
Gallery. He's the manager over there. So if you need some pizza, go down and see him over there. He makes the best pizza in that part of town.
Yep.
There you go. And who should they ask for?
Thomas.
Thomas?
Yep.
All right. You can ask for Thomas when we're down there. So we're getting the oil change done right now, portion of it. So part of this is changing out the spark plug and fuel filter, gearbox oil, engine oil, doing an overall safety inspection on it, brake check. As you can see, he keeps his scooter in good care. Tire pressure looks like it's been kept up because you see the wear is quite even around his tires. So this is an owner that actually cares about his transportation. Again, he's a manager, so he got to get to and from work. So his scooter needs to start every morning. It needs to get him there. Again, if you need any service on your vehicles, ATVs, Chinese ATVs, go-karts, dune buggies, scooters, stop by and see us. This is what we do here. Service and repair, and then I'm going to take a walk through our showroom, show you guys what we have currently in stock. We got boulders in stock. We have the 125D in stock. T-Force in stock as well. Again, scooters, 49cc scooters, the Evo, popular Evo. This is the largest 49cc on the market currently is the Evo. VIP scooter, the Blade Thunder 50, and then of course the ATM50A1 city riders over here. We got blue, silver, red, matte black, orange, just like Thomas's scooter, orange here. We call this the Hugger orange or the Jamba Juice orange. And we got that bright color in green as well. Again, these are the Skittle colors in these scooters. Of course, we have our Blazer 9s that we've shown in past videos. Blazer 9 in green, 125cc, kids, youth, small adult ATVs in red as well. Then we got the Tao Motor Cheetah, 125cc, fully automatic. Again, all Tao ATVs include 3 parental safety features. Includes the speed governor, lanyard, similar to a jet ski, and your remote system remotely can kill the motor or restart it up to approximately 200 feet. Again, all Tao motors from the Boulder all the way up to the Cheetah and the T-Force do include the parental safety features. We do have in stock currently on sale at $869 the X4 semi-automatic 110cc dirt bike with a 29-inch seat height from the ground up. The DB27 is here. We have this on a clearance price, $829 ready to go with the extended engine warranty. And we have the Jeep Auto in tree camo. Now this particular vehicle, this particular one will come with an extra hood. The extra hood will be in red, and it's a one-time offering right now just for this particular vehicle. So when you come in and you want to purchase this vehicle, make sure you mention the extra hood that is included with this particular vehicle here. So again, another morning in Reno, Nevada. 24 degrees outside, so it's definitely very crispy. So we will see you guys soon, and check you out next time. Until later, we'll see you guys. Bye.